Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into Google Workspace. What exactly is it, and how can it supercharge your productivity? Let's find out. For those unfamiliar with Google Workspace, or anyone looking to truly understand its full potential, this video is for you. We'll break down each tool, its features, and how they seamlessly integrate to empower you and your team. Get ready for a comprehensive overview that will equip you with everything you need to know. Google Workspace is more than just email and documents. It's a suite of powerful productivity and collaboration tools designed for the modern workplace. It brings together communication, storage, and creation into one unified platform. Think of it as your digital office in the cloud. Google Workspace is designed for everyone, from individual freelancers to large enterprises. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or a team within a large organization, Workspace provides tools that cater to your unique needs. It's about empowering productivity at any scale. Let's start with Gmail. It's not just your average email. Gmail in Workspace is a robust communication hub. It offers more than just sending and receiving emails. It's about efficient organization and seamless integration with other Workspace apps, which we'll explore in a bit. With Google Workspace, you get a professional email address with your own custom domain. This not only looks professional, but also enhances your brand's credibility. You're not just another user on a generic platform. You're establishing a distinct online identity for your business or organization. Gmail in Workspace offers intelligent features like Smart Compose, which helps you write emails faster by predicting what you want to say. Organization tools like labels, filters, and folders allow you to keep your inbox tidy and manageable, enhancing your productivity immensely. Next up is Google Drive. It's your secure cloud storage solution where all your files live. Think of it as a virtual hard drive you can access from anywhere, on any device. It ensures your documents are not just stored, but they are also easily accessible and shareable. Google Drive allows you to store all types of files, documents, images, videos, and more. You can also easily share these files with colleagues, clients, or anyone else with control over permissions. This fosters collaboration and ensures everyone has access to what they need. One of Drive's biggest strengths is real-time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same document simultaneously, seeing each other's changes as they happen. This makes teamwork seamless and incredibly efficient, especially for remote teams. Google Docs is more than just a word processor. It's a collaborative workspace where you can create, edit, and share documents online. It eliminates the need for emailing back and forth versions of documents, simplifying collaboration immensely. With Google Docs, you can create professional-looking documents from scratch or use templates. Everything you create is automatically saved to Drive and accessible from any device. This ensures you never lose your work and can access it whenever you need it. Google Docs also features version history, so you can see past changes and revert to older versions if needed. Commenting features make it easy to provide feedback and discuss changes directly within the document, making communication clear and efficient. Google Sheets is your powerful spreadsheet tool. It's not just about numbers. It's about data analysis, organization, and visualization. It brings data to life and makes it actionable for your business decisions. In Google Sheets, you can organize large data sets, run calculations, and create reports. Whether it's tracking sales, managing budgets, or analyzing customer data, Sheets has the tools you need. It's like having a virtual data analyst at your fingertips. Sheets also allows you to visualize your data with charts and graphs. These visuals help you understand trends and patterns at a glance, making data-driven decision-making easier and faster. Google Slides is your presentation powerhouse. Create engaging presentations with ease, whether for team meetings, client pitches, or educational purposes. It's all about delivering your message effectively with stunning visuals. With Slides, You can create professional-looking presentations using a variety of templates and themes. You can also collaborate with others in real time, making it easy to build a presentation as a team. You can deliver the presentation in a Google Meet easily. Google Slides offers a wide range of templates and themes to help you get started quickly. You can also customize these to match your brand. This ensures your presentations not only look great, but also reflect your unique identity. Google Calendar helps you manage your schedule and events effectively. It's more than just a calendar. It's your central hub for organizing your time, meetings, and appointments. It ensures you never miss an important event. With Calendar, you can schedule events, set reminders, and invite others. You can also create multiple calendars for personal and professional use. It simplifies managing your time and coordinating with others. Google Calendar integrates seamlessly with other workspace apps like Gmail and Meet. You can schedule meetings directly from emails and add video conference links with a single click. It keeps everything organized in one place. Google Meet is your video conferencing solution. It's a reliable and easy-to-use platform for virtual meetings, webinars, and remote collaboration. It bridges the gap between distant teams. With Meet, you can host video calls with colleagues, clients, and partners. It offers high-quality video and audio, ensuring clear communication even across long distances. It's perfect for team updates, client presentations, and remote training. Meet also offers screen sharing, allowing you to present documents, slides, or applications during a call. You can also record meetings for later review. These features enhance collaboration and knowledge sharing within your team. In summary, Google Workspace is a suite of tools designed to enhance productivity and collaboration. From email and storage to document creation and video conferencing, it offers everything you need to work efficiently. It's a cohesive suite that integrates seamlessly for maximum impact. The benefits of Google Workspace are numerous: enhanced collaboration, increased productivity, secure cloud storage, and seamless integration between tools. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and achieve more. Getting started with Google Workspace is easy. You can choose a plan that suits your needs and start using the tools right away. The intuitive interface and helpful resources make it simple to get up to speed quickly. Ready to transform the way you work? If you learned something from this video, please like, subscribe, and share so I can make more videos to help you learn and grow. Thank you.